And I'm talking I couldn't do anything. You could take 6 months off from any squatting and the pain would go away, and I could do like one set of front squats and they're back. So from say the mid to end of June to now, I now have zero pain, 24 hours a day. My name's Vincent Miceli. I'm the founder of the Blueproof Fitness facility in Westchester, New York. I joke when I talk about this because I don't work for him and I paid for the service, but it was the best money I've ever spent. I mean, anything revolving around fitness. That's kind of where I'm at today. Zero pain. I'm not afraid to do anything. I'm happy to do any type of squatting, any type of running, any movement. As an athlete or someone who wants to be conscious about their health and wellness, not being in pain is better than any other variation of fitness.